Hello everyone. So welcome back. So here we are again discussing some questions on parabola. So we have already done the questions on ellipse and hyperbola. So these questions again appeared in JEEMAINS or advanced questions. So it will be again a good revision for you for the upcoming exams. Okay. So let's start with the first question. The first question again, see, first thing is in general in mains exam the questions are mainly very easy questions, mainly based on how to write the equation of parabola in standard forms, how to shift the parabola, tangent normals. These kind of questions are generally asked. So it's very again a very scoring topic for mains, right? So let's start with the first question. If the area of triangle whose one vertex is at the vertex of this parabola, so obviously first you have to find the vertex of this parabola. You can see first you have to find the vertex of this parabola. Now, and the other two vertices are the point of intersection of this parabola with y-axis. And the area is given as 250. Then what is the value of a? You have to find this. So you can clearly see if you have y square, this is equal to minus 4 x minus a square. This is the shifted parabola. What is the shifted parabola? It has this. What is the vertex of this? What is the vertex of this? This is a square comma 0. How you are getting this? Just take this is 0 and this is 0. Y is equal to this. Y is equal to 0. This is x minus a square equal to 0 because we have shifted the parabola y square equal to minus 4ax. What is the vertex of this? X 0, y is 0. So this is 0 when a square, and this is 0 when y is equal to 0. This is the vertex of this parabola, right? And this is the parabola mouth opening on the left side, this kind of parabola. So yeah, now see, we have this parabola. This is the vertex, which is a square comma 0. These are the point of intersection of this parabola with y-axis. Now, how can you get the point of intersection with y-axis? Put x is equal to 0. If I put x is equal to 0, put x is equal to 0, this is y square is equal to 4a square. What we have done is put x is equal to 0 for the point of intersection with y-axis. Now, what is y? This is 0. Y is equal to plus minus 2a. So, what are the point of intersection? This is 0 comma 2a. This is 0 comma minus 2a. These are the point of intersection. Now, area of this triangle is given to you. Area of this triangle is given to you. Now, what is the area of this triangle? You can clearly see this is the base and this is the height because this angle is 90 degrees. So, what is this? This is a square, and what is this? This is 2a, sorry, 4a. This length is 4a. So, what is the area? This is half base. What is base? 4a. What is height? Height is a square, and this is given as 250. This is given as 250. So this is, you can clearly see what is a cube. A cube is equal to 125, right? 125. So what is a? A is equal to 5. That is the answer for this question. That is option B is the answer. Very easy question. Free marks in JEEMAINS. Okay, these are called free marks. Basic, very basic question. Okay. Now let's move to the next question quickly. The axis of a parabola lies along x-axis. The axis of the parabola lie along x-axis. If its vertex and focus are at a distance 2 units, vertex and focus are at a distance 2 units and 4 units from origin on the positive x-axis. So let's draw the diagram. Let's say this is our x-axis. This is our y-axis. Now the vertex is at a distance 2 units. So this is from origin. This is origin. This is vertex. Okay. At 2 units, that means this is the point 2 comma 0. And focus is at 4 units from origin. So this is 4 comma 0. This is the vertex, right? This is the focus. This is the focus, and this is the vertex. Okay. From origin on the positive x-axis, then which of the following does not lie? So ultimately what you have to do is you have to just find the equation of this parabola. So how can you find this? If this is focus, this is vertex, which type of parabola it will be? It will be something like this. You can clearly see this will be the axis of the parabola because vertex and focus are lying on x-axis only. Now what is the equation of this parabola? You can clearly see this vertex is at 2 comma 0. So this will be of the form y minus 0 square is equal to 4a x minus 2. You can see if you have this type of parabola, what is this? This is y square is equal to 4ax. Now we have shifted this vertex at the point 2a comma 0. So what is the equation? This is x minus 2 on y square, right? This is, we have just shifted this parabola at 2 comma 0. I hope you know how to shift the coordinates here. Now see, what is the value of a? And we know the distance between the focus and vertex. This distance is always a. Focus and distance between the distance between vertex and focus is a. So what is this value a? A is equal to 2 here. So what is this parabola? Y square is equal to 8 x minus 2. This is the equation of this parabola. Now this is the answer. Now we have to just check which point does not lie. So the point which does not satisfy this equation will be the answer. So you can just check this. If I put the first option, this is 16, this is 8, this is 2. If I put 4 comma minus 4, this is satisfying. That means this is not the answer because this is lying on the parabola. Okay. If I put this is 4, that is 16, 32. Y square is equal to 8 and 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2, that is 4. Again, this is satisfying. That is, this is also not the answer. If I put 8 comma 6, 8, that is 36. This is 36, 8, and what is this? 8 minus 2, that is 6. Sorry, 8 minus 2, that is 6. So this is, you can see 8 comma 6, this is 36, 8, and if I put x is equal to 6, this will be 4. Correct? Wait, let's see. X is equal to 30, y is equal to 36, that is 36. X is equal to 8. 8 minus 2, this is 6. So this is not satisfying this. Okay. So this is the answer. You can check the option D also. If I put this is 2 root 6, that is 24. This is 8. And if I put 5 here, this is 3. This is satisfying. So what is the option? Option C is the answer. The question is very easy. You have to just find the equation of this parabola, and you can check which point does not lie on this. Okay, and this is very easy to write the equation of this. So what is the answer? Option C. Again, very easy question. Very easy question. Now let's move to the next question. Let P with the point on the parabola y square equal to 8x, which is at the minimum distance from the center C of this circle. Then the equation of circle passing through C and having its center at P. Okay, so P is a point on the parabola. Okay, now if you have to find the equation of circle which is passing through C having center at P, that means you have to find the coordinates of C and P. Okay, so let's start this. We have a parabola y square equal to 8x. You can see this is the parabola y square equal to 8x, and we have a circle. What is the circle? X square plus y square, x square plus y plus 6 whole square equal to 1. You can clearly see this is center is 0 comma minus 6. What is the center? 0 comma minus 6, and radius is equal to 1. So it will be something like this. This is the circle, 0 comma minus 6. Radius is equal to 1. Now P be the point on the parabola which is at the minimum distance from the center C of the circle. This is center C of the circle. Now which point on this parabola will be at the minimum distance? So I hope you remember this concept. The minimum distance point or minimum distance always lie along the common normal of two curves. If you have this one curve, you have another curve. The minimum distance is perpendicular distance. So what is perpendicular distance on the curve? This is the distance between the distance on the common normal, the line which is normal to both the curve. This is the shortest distance. Now see, P is a point which is at the shortest distance from this point C. So can we say, if I join, let's say this is point P. So can we say this point P will be on the common normal? Common normal, that means this line is normal to this parabola. And you can clearly see this will definitely be normal on this circle also, because we know in case of circle, normal always pass through the center. So this is point P. So indirectly they have given minimum distance. Indirectly they have said that point P is the point at which the normal is also passing through this. This is the shortest distance. Okay. So now how will you get the current of point P here? So very important point to understand. A very common question. Again, there have been so many questions on this concept of minimum distance. Always remember, lie along the common normal. Okay. In case of circle, normal always pass through the center. That is why I have directly taken it. Right. Now see, we have to just find the current of point P. Now any point on this parabola, I can assume any point on this parabola is a t square comma 2at. This is the standard parabola. What is the value of a? A is equal to 2. You can see a is equal to 2. So this is 2t square comma 4t. A is equal to 2. Correct? Now, how will you get this point P? So you can clearly see the normal at point P is passing through center of the circle, that is 0 comma minus 6. So can you write the equation of normal at point P? Now, how will you write the equation of normal? Again, one way is you can use dy by dx concept, application of derivative. But since this is a standard parabola, we know all the equations of standard parabola. So I recommend you to remember this. It will save your time. Okay. So now, what is the equation of parabola? Equation of normal at any point t on this parabola? This is y plus tx is equal to 2at plus at cube. This is the equation of normal at a point at square comma 2at on the parabola y square equal to 4ax. So I hope you remember this, and if you don't, please remember this, very important. Otherwise you have to calculate the complete thing. Okay, it will save your time if you remember this. Now this normal is passing through which point? 0 comma minus 6. So 0 comma minus 6 will satisfy this equation. If I put 0 comma minus 6 here, this will be 0 minus 60. Okay, this will be equal to, this is 280. What is a? Let me put a also. What is a ka value? A ka value is 2. So this is 4t plus 2t. Right? So I can write here, what is the value of t here? This is 2t square, 2t cube plus and t is equal to 0. Right? Y plus tx is equal to 280 cube. 280 plus 80 cube. This point, this is 0 comma minus 6. Wait. I think we have done something wrong here. This is, we are putting 0 comma minus 6. This is passing through 0 comma minus 6. So it will satisfy this. Minus 6 plus 0 is equal to a is 2. So this is 4t plus 2t cube. This is the equation. Okay. So now you see, what is this? This is 2t cube. I can cancel this 2 factor also. This is t cube plus 2t plus 3 is equal to 0. Correct? Right? And you can see, I can factorize this. You can clearly see t is equal to minus 1 is the root of this equation. T is equal to minus 1. You can see this is t minus 1 minus 2 minus 3, that is plus 3, 0. So t is equal to minus 1. So what are the factors? Let's factorize this. This is t plus 1, t plus 1, t plus 1. This is equal to 0. So this is t square, which will give you t cube. This is t2 square minus 2t. You can see this is t square, and sorry, this is, this is minus t. So this is t square minus t square will cancel. This is minus t and this is plus 3. You can see minus t square, minus t plus 3t will become 2t. This is just a factorization. You can see this is t square minus t plus 3 into t plus 1 equal to 0. And you can clearly see there is no root of this equation because discriminant is less than 0. So what is the value of t? T is equal to minus 1. Now if t is equal to minus 1, what is this point? You can see this is t is equal to minus 1. This is 2 comma minus 4. And you can see this has to be in the fourth quadrant. You can, by diagram also you can see, right? Now what is the question? The question is, we have to find the equation of circle passing through C and having center at P. So it will be something like this. Center should be at P. So what is the radius of the circle? You can see here, if I just try to draw that circle, it will be something like this. Center at point P. This is center at point P, and it is passing through 0, -6. So what is the radius of the circle? Since the circle is passing through 0, -6, you can directly say the radius will be under root of the distance between center and this point. So this is 4, and what is this? -6 minus 4. This is 2. That is 4. Distance formula लगा तो this is 2 square, again 2 square. That is √8 to √2. Right? So what is the final answer? What is the equation of this circle? So I just write the equation of circle. Center is 2, -4. So 2, -4. Let me write it here. This is x minus 2 whole square, y plus 4. Center is at P. Okay. This is equal to √2 square, which is equal to 8. You just simplify this. This is x square plus y square. X square plus y square minus 4x plus 8y, right? And now this will be 4 plus 16, 4 plus 16, right? 20 and plus minus 8 plus 12 is equal to 0. So I hope this is clear. So what is the answer? X square plus y square minus 4x plus 8y plus 12. That is option A is the answer for this question. So I hope you have understood this. Important point here is how we have written the shortest distance. Shortest distance का concept क्या है? Shortest distance lies along the common normal. So line which is normal to both the curves will be the shortest distance will lie along that line. Okay, so that is the important point which you have to remember from this question. And I recommend you to remember the equations of standard curve, parabola, ellipse, hyperbola, circle. इनका equation आप याद रखो. It will save your time in exam. Okay. Now, let's move to the next question. Let O be the vertex, Q be any point on this parabola. If P point divides the line segment OQ internally in the ratio 1:3, then what is the locus of P? Again, locus question. You can see we have the parabola x square equal to 8y. Now, this is the vertical parabola. X square is equal to 4ay form. Correct? This is the parabola. Something like this. Okay, this is x square is equal to 8y. This is the vertex of this parabola. Now, O be the vertex. This is the vertex. Q be any point on the parabola. Let's say this is the point on the parabola. This is the line joining OQ. So let me. This is the line joining OQ. Let's say this is the point Q. Okay. Now, Q be any point on this parabola. Point P divides the line segment OQ. Point P divides line segment OQ internally in the ratio 1:3. So this is, let's say, point P, which is dividing OQ in the ratio 1:3. OP is to OQ is 1:3. Then locus of point P. So it's again very easy question. You can see this is the point H comma K. We have to find the locus of point P. So I have assumed this is H comma K. This point is 0, 0, vertex. Now any point on this, either you can apply parametric format, parametric form of this. What is the parametric point of this? X square equal to 4ay. What is the parametric coordinate? 2at, comma at square. You can see, I can assume any point on this parabola in this form. So I can say what is the point on this parabola? What is the value of a? A is equal to 2. 4a is equal to 8, right? A is equal to 2. So this is 4t. Correct? 4t plus comma 2t square. This is any point on this parabola. You can check this, right? Now we have to find the relation in H and K. How can you find? You can apply section formula. What is section formula? Internal division. So you can see H comma K. This is the point P, and I can apply point P using internal division. 1 into 4t plus 3 into 0, that is 0, upon 3 plus 1, that is 4. This is equal to H. You can say I have written the coordinate of point P using section formula 1 into 40, 3 into 0 upon 1 plus 3. Similarly, 1 into 2t square, that is 2t square, 1 into 2t square, 3 into 0 upon 4. This is equal to K. Section formula we have applied, right? So you can see what is T. T is equal to H from this. And what is this? This is T square is equal to 2K. Now eliminate T because T is a parameter. T will change. So this is, if I put T here, H, that is, we have H square equal to 2K. So what is the answer? What is the locus? X square is equal to 4y. X square equal to 4y, that is, sorry, X square equal to 2y, not 4y. X square equal to 2y, that is option D is the answer for this. Very easy question again, right? Simple section of formula you have to apply, right? Now let's move to the next question. Find the directrix of this parabola. Now see, we have a parabola. You can clearly see this is a quadratic polynomial in y, right? X is equal to minus y square plus minus 2, 4y minus 2. Again, this is the parabola. This is a quadratic in y. That means this will be a horizontal parabola. Okay. Now we have to find the directrix of this parabola. Now see, if you have to find the directrix of this kind of expression, first you convert this into standard form. What is the meaning of standard form? You convert this into this kind of form, plus minus 4a x type के form में convert करिए. या फिर अगर vertical के type में है तो you can convert into this form. इस type के form में आप convert कर लो. अब how will you convert this? Perfect square. Make perfect square. You can clearly see यहाँ पे तो it's very easy to make perfect squares also. This is y square plus 4y plus 4 plus 4x plus, sorry, minus 2. So this is minus 2. Can I write this? I have written this y square 4y plus 4 minus 2. You can see this is 2. So what is this? This is y plus 2 whole square is equal to minus 4x plus 2. I hope this is clear. So this is y plus 2 whole square is equal to minus 4 x minus 1 by 2. Check this step. So this is the parabola we have. This is the parabola we have. Now this, which type of parabola is this? This is of the form y square is equal to minus 4ax type of one. Now I want to write the directrix of this parabola. So see, one way is you can shift the coordinate, or otherwise you can just draw the diagram and you can check. Now how can you find the directrix? You can see here, this is the parabola y square equal to minus 4x whose vertex. What is the vertex of this parabola? You can clearly see this is half comma minus 2. Half, x is equal to half, this is 0, x is equal, y is equal to minus 2. So this is half comma minus 2, x is equal to half comma minus 2. So let me just draw this. So x is equal to half, y is equal to minus 2, somewhere here. I'm just drawing a rough sketch. We don't know इसका बाकी का position कैसा होगा. It will be something like this. It will be something like this. This is half comma minus 1 by minus 2, right? Fourth quadrant में है, right? Now we have to find the directrix of this. You can clearly see this will be the axis of this parabola. This is a horizontal parabola. Its axis will be parallel to x-axis. This is half comma minus 2. Can we say directrix will be something like this? Because it will be perpendicular to axis. Now, if this is directrix, we know directrix is at a distance of 1 unit. Sorry, a unit, not 1 unit, a unit from this. Correct? So what is a here? What is a here? You can clearly see 4a is equal to 4. You can see this is 4a is equal to 4. That is a is equal to 1. So this is the line which is at a distance 1 unit from this. Now what is the coordinate of this? Can we say this is the vertical line, and what is this point? What is the coordinate at a distance 1 unit on the right side? On the horizontal line, can we say this is 3 by 2 comma minus 2? Just adding 1 on this, 1 by 2 में 1 add कर दिया. This is 3 by 2. comma minus 2. So what will be the equation of this vertical line? Can we say this is x is equal to 3 by 2? Because this is passing through 3 by 2 comma minus 2, and this is a line which is perpendicular to x-axis. So what is the equation of line perpendicular to x-axis? X is equal to some constant, and what is that constant? 3 by 2 here. So that is the answer. X is equal to 3 by 2. This is one way to solve this. Otherwise, what you can do is you can say here, this is directly by using diagram. Otherwise, what you can do is, what is the directrix? What is the directrix of this parabola? We know this is x is equal to minus, x is equal to plus a. For this type of parabola, y square equal to minus 4ax. The directrix is x is equal to a. Now what is x? X is equal to x minus 1 by 2. So x minus 1 by 2 is equal to what is a? 1. So what is the answer? X is equal to 3 by 2. This is the directrix. So this is another way to find this, or you can use just the diagram to get the directrix equation, which is x is equal to 3 by 2. Option D is the answer. So I hope this is clear. Now let's move to the next question. Now if the line x is equal to 1, x minus 1 is equal to 0 is directrix of this parabola, then one of the value of k is. You have to find the value of k if directrix is given to you. So first you observe here what kind of parabola is this. This is y square is equal to kx minus 8, right? Kx minus 8. So basically this is y square is equal to kx minus 8 by k. This is the parabola we have, correct? X 8 by k, correct? I just taken comma. Now first you observe here, k can have both positive values or negative value, but you can clearly see in options we have only positive value. That means you have to take k positive, right? We can have negative value case also. Okay, so considering k is positive, what kind of parabola will this be? This will be a parabola whose vertex will be at which point? This is of the form y square is equal to 4ax form. So what is the vertex? Vertex will be at 8 by k comma 0. This is 0 at 8 by k. This is y is equal to 0. So this will be something like this. It will be 8 by k. Let's say this is 8 by k comma 0. This is the parabola. This is the parabola 8 whose vertex is at 8 by k comma 0. Now it is given that x is equal to 1 is the directrix of this. So directrix will be something like this. X is equal to 1 is the directrix. Now I want to find the value of k. Now we know that the distance between the directrix and vertex, this distance is equal to a. Yes, vertex or directrix के बीच में distance क्या होता है? A. So this is the distance a. What is a here? You can see what is this? 4a. 4a is equal to k. So a is equal to k by 4. So this is k by 4. So basically this value is equal to k by 4. So you can observe here, if this is k by 4, a is equal to k by 4. This is 1. So can I say 8 by k minus k by 4 should be equal to 1. This is, you can see 8 by 4 में 8 by k में से आप k by 4 subtract करोगे, it should be 1. I hope this is clear. This equation is clear. Now just solve this equation. So this is 32 minus k square is equal to 4k. So this is k square plus 4k minus 32 is equal to 0. So what is the answer? This is k plus 8 into k minus 4 is equal to 0. Correct? So what is the value of k? K will be equal to 4. That is the answer for this. We will not take k is equal to minus 8 because you can clearly see we have assumed k is positive value. Okay. So what is the answer? Option C is the answer for this question. So I hope this is clear. How can you solve this type of question? You have to just understand the geometry here. Basic geometry but आपको clear है, you can easily solve this type of questions. Okay. So let's take one more questions. Let's take one more question here. Now this was asked in JEE Advanced 2015. Very interesting question. Let the curve C be the mirror image of this parabola with respect to this line x plus y plus 4 equal to 0. So this is the parabola. Let's say y square equal to 4x. This is the parabola y square equal to 4x. And let's say this is the line x plus y plus 4 is equal to 0. Now it is given that C is the mirror image of this. Okay, so let me draw a rough sketch here. So if I just try to draw a rough image, it will be something like this. It will be something like this, a rough sketch, right? This is the mirror image of this parabola about this line. Now see, A and B are the point of intersection of this line. Okay, in fact, chalo, ठीक है, it's a rough diagram, but otherwise, what you can do is x plus y is equal to 4, x plus y plus 4 equal to 0. It has negative slope, so it will be something like this: x plus y plus 4 equal to 0. Okay, वैसे उससे कोई फर्क पड़ेगा नहीं because we are just drawing a rough sketch. Okay, now let's say the mirror image of this is something like this. Okay, this is the curve C. Now A and B are the point of intersection of this curve C with the line y is equal to -5. Y is equal to -5. It is, you can say, let's say this is the line y is equal to -5. Y is equal to -5. Okay, then we have to find the distance between A and B. This is A, this is B. You have to find the distance AB. In fact, this y is equal to -5 जो होगा, that will be parallel to x-axis, correct? But वो diagram में हमने rough sketch draw किया है, तो you can just understand that this is the line y is equal to -5. These are A and B, and this. Okay, we have not drawn on the coordinate diagram here, coordinate chapter. Now we have to find the distance between A and B. See, if you have to find the distance AB, you have to just find these coordinates. If you can find this coordinate, you can easily solve this question, correct? For that, we don't know what is the equation of this curve here. So for that, you have to first find the equation of this curve C. Now, how can you find the equation of this curve C? Understand this. How can you find the mirror image of one curve about any line? Okay, this is applicable in ellipse. It can be applicable in hyperbola. It can be applicable even in 3D also. Okay, so see, if you have to find the mirror image of this parabola, any point on this parabola, y square equal to 4x can be taken as, I can take any point on this parabola as at square comma 280, correct? Which is t square comma 280 because 2t, because a is equal to 1 in this case. Now any point on this curve C is the mirror image of this. Any point on this is the mirror image of this. Let's say this is the point x comma y. Any point on this parabola, this curve, that is curve C, is x comma y. This is the mirror image of this point about this line. So what is the mirror image formula? I'll just quickly write this: x minus x1 upon a, y minus y1 upon b is equal to -2 ax1 by1 plus c upon a square plus b square. This is the, if you have to write the mirror image of x1 y1 about the line ax plus by plus c, you can use this. So what is the mirror image of t square comma 2t, that is x comma y? So what is this? You can say this is x minus x1 upon a. What is a? This is the line x plus y plus 4, that is 1. A is coefficient of x. This is y minus y1. What is y1? This is 2t. We have to write the mirror image. We have to write the mirror image of this t square comma 2t upon a. B, sorry. What is b? Right? This is -2 ax1 by1 plus c, that is, just put this quantity in the equation of this line, that is t square plus 2t plus 4. I hope this is clear. Just substitute this coordinate in the equation of line upon a square plus b square. What is a square plus b square? 1 plus 1. So what is this? This is x minus t square is equal to y minus 2t is equal to this 2 also cancel. This will be minus t square minus 2t minus 4. So what is x? X is equal to what is x? X is equal to ये t square cancel हो जाएगा. This is minus 2t plus 4. You can directly write this, negative common ले लो. And what is y? What is y? Minus 2t will be cancelled and this will become 2t. Sorry, minus 2t will be cancelled. So this will become minus t square plus. And check this, minus 2t will be cancelled, minus t square plus 4, right? Now see, we have got t is parameter and x. What is the relation between x and y? This is the relation between x and y on this curve. Now the question is, what is the distance AB? So you can clearly see for any point on this curve, this is the relation between x and y. Now if you take y is equal to minus 5, if I take y is equal to minus 5, what is y equal to minus 5? If I put y is equal to minus 5, this is minus 5 is equal to t square plus 4. Okay, minus 1. So this is t square is equal to 1, t is equal to plus or minus 1. So that means if at y is equal to minus 4, t ka value will be either 1 or minus 1. So what will be the coordinate of x? What will be x point? What is x ka value? X ka value, if I put t is equal to 1, this will become, if I put t is equal to 1, this will become 6, minus 6. So this will become, let's say this is point A, which is minus 6 comma minus 5. You can see y coordinate to minus 5 bhi rahega because this is on the line y is equal to minus 5. And what is this coordinate B? What is this coordinate B? If I put t is equal to minus 1 here, this will become minus 2. You can see this is minus 2. T is equal to minus 1. This is minus 2. So this is minus 2 comma minus 5. I hope this is clear. If I put x is t is equal to 1, basically क्या हो रहा है कि y is equal to minus 5 के साथ में इसका point of intersection find कर. So for y is equal to minus 5, there are two possible values. One corresponding to A, one corresponding to B. Okay, so you can clearly see t is equal to 1 पे, this is 6. T is equal to minus 1 पे, this is 2. So this is minus 6 and minus 2, right? So what is the distance between AB? You can clearly see the distance AB will be equal to 4. Minus 6 or minus 2 between distance क्या होगा? It will be 4. So this is how you can solve this. Now the question can be modified. Question ऐसा भी हो सकता है, what is the equation of this curve C? What is the equation of this mirror image? Find the mirror image of this curve y square equal to 4x about this line. तो उसके लिए क्या करोगे? If the question is find the equation of curve C, तो यहाँ से देखो what is the relation between x and y on this curve? This is the relation. So again, this is the parametric equation of this curve C. How will you get the Cartesian equation? यहाँ से t उठाओ, इसमें put कर दो. Eliminate t, that will give you the equation of this curve C. तो question कैसे भी modify कर सकते हैं, and it can be asked in another form. Okay, so just remember this method. How can you find the mirror image of one curve about a line in a line? Okay, so I hope these questions are clear to you. Till now what we have done is we have just discussed the question on how to write the equation of parabola in different forms. Okay, and based on the concept based on it, right? In the next video we will do the questions on tangent, normal, how to write the tangent, normal, and chord of contact. उस type of questions हम discuss करेंगे. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thank you.